Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will discuss about how to update a custom field value in Salesforce record. So basically what happens is, being an admin, right, you will get lot of requests to update a certain field on certain records, maybe on the opportunity or maybe on the account or maybe on any XYZ object record. So it is important for us to know what to update, when to update, and where to update. For example, let's see the use case scenario here. So here we are going to update a field called sales engineer on the opportunity. So the use case scenario here is, a sales engineer at your organization manages multiple client opportunities. So basically, a sales engineer is a guy who will provide the post deployment support, or like say he will do the technical support about your product. And when a new sales representative is assigned to an opportunity, the sales solutions engineer field on the opportunity record must be updated to reflect this change. So basically, sales rep is a different person and the sales engineer is a different person. Sales representative is the person who deals with the billing, negotiation of the product, etc. But sales engineer is a guy who will help you to install that app in your environment, like a technical support or customer success engineer. So titles may be different, but the functionality would be mostly same. So this ensures that the correct sales engineering is associated with the opportunity for communication and reporting purpose. So let's say if you want to track the number of opportunities associated with the specific sales engineer, you can do it using reporting purposes. And this guy can be the point of contact for the clients when the app is not working as expected, or when the product is not working as expected. He would be the one to help us. And now let's go here. um let's start capturing. Okay, let's go here. Now it will capture. Okay, now click on here, go to our org. So this one, let us open. So now the use case scenario here is to update. What I have been doing is, I went to opportunity. So let's say this is the opportunity we are going to edit, and just click on details. And if you see, this is sales or solutions engineer field, and we are going to update it with a different user, like for example Mary Johnson. So and then click on save. So this is a lookup field, a custom lookup field. So custom fields are something we will create on our own, and standard fields are something that Salesforce already created for you. You cannot edit or modify the standard fields, but you can only edit the custom fields, and this is the custom field here. Okay, now keeping that aside, I'll tell you how you can identify if it is a custom field or not. Just click on here. Now go explore API, not this one. Oops. Just go back again. Opportunities, this one. I'm gonna click on here, show all data. Uh, uh, Object, record types, new opportunity data, import field creator, download metadata. It should show here. I'm not sure why it is not showing so far. Data export, import. Okay. Let us go here. Show API fields. Chrome extension. Salesforce. Okay, I don't know why the extension is not working as expected, so I'm trying to install another one. Okay, this is done. Now, show API name I have added. Let me refresh this one. Click on opportunities, related fields. If you see, when I click on it, right, this is the field API name. If you see, there is an appending C. This means it is a custom field, and this is also custom field because underscore underscore C is appended. For standard fields, you won't see it. So this is how you can identify if it is a custom field or a standard field. And most probably you will get the request when the user is unable to update a specific value in the record. For example, in most cases for closed won opportunities, no one has access to edit it until and unless uh, only admins and until and unless a special privileges has been provided to the user. So that is when your role comes into the picture, and this is purely a real-time example for you. And that's it for this video, friends. In case if you have any questions, please do let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help. Thank you and have a great day.